Hey there, wine lovers! Ready to save some serious cash on your next bottle? Stick around because I've got the ultimate hack for you, and it's all about wine.com. First off, click that link in the description below to grab your special offers and discounts right now. Go on, I'll wait. Done? Great, let's dive in. Wine.com is basically the Disneyland for adults who love wine. Whether you're into reds, whites, or roses, they've got you covered with an insane variety. But the best part? You don't have to break the bank to enjoy it. Here's the scoop. Wine.com offers some fantastic coupon codes and promo deals. Imagine sipping on a top-notch bottle without having to sell a kidney. Sounds perfect, right? Now let me tell you how to snag these deals. First, head over to wine.com. On the homepage, scroll down to find the promotions section. It's like a treasure chest waiting to be opened. Click on it to see all the current deals. You might find discounts up to 50% off. And who doesn't love a good bargain? But wait, there's more. You can also sign up for their newsletter. They send out exclusive coupons and promo codes right to your inbox. Plus, you'll get tips, recipes, and wine pairings that'll make you the star of any dinner party. Another pro tip, keep an eye out for seasonal sales. Holidays, anniversaries, or just because it's Tuesday, wine.com loves to drop surprise discounts. And trust me, your wallet will thank you. And if you're a serious wine enthusiast, they've got a membership program called Stewardship. For a small annual fee, you get unlimited free shipping. It's like Amazon Prime, but for wine. Totally worth it if you ask me. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to secure your discounts and start saving big on your favorite wines today. Remember, life's too short to drink bad wine. Cheers to great deals and even better sips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've scored some awesome deals with wine.com. See you next time, wine enthusiasts.